The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Normally my videos are bright and perky, but this one is not so bright and it's not so perky. And this is just to serve as a public service announcement. So just be on the lookout to be extremely careful. So on Saturday, my house was broken into. They drugged my mom, my dad, and my grandmother. I was in my bedroom at the time I heard a noise. I looked through the room, looked under the veranda of the porch, never said anything. Said okay, probably my dad is just walking through. That's what he normally does. I shouted out dad 3 times, heard nothing. I said, Jesus, if it's anything, cover me and cover the house. And I pushed up the door. Never heard anything. My father got up after 2. I guess the drug had worn off at that time. And he said, listen, somebody broke in. No, we're pretty secure. Things are grilled and everything. They lifted off the grill off of the kitchen window. They wore gloves. They came through. They stole phones. They stole money. They stole jewelry. And they powdered them. When the police came, they said that this has been happening in other communities. They had hit 3-4 houses in the same night. And I'm asking you, if you follow me, to share this with other people, because it could have been worse. We hear about murders, we hear about burglaries, we hear about robbery attempts, and what could have happened. I'm really grateful that they only got away with phones and stuff, and my parents weren't harmed, because you can't buy back money. You can get money back, you can get phones back, you can't get back life. And it's different when you're in your home and you don't feel safe. And I'm really grateful to God, because normally if I hear anything, I'm the first to run out. And if I run out and anything could have happened, I could not have been here. But I'm saying to you, put a basin of water near your room. Share this video, WhatsApp, push. Because they're broken into Jacaranda, Civil, Ebonyville, different communities, and it's not on the news. So we're getting a sense of, oh, we're safe. We're not safe. Christmas is approaching and these criminals are finding different ways. They're brazen. They're emboldened. Right? We're worried about JPS. Turn on your backlight. Turn it on. Get some sensors. Borrow some money, because they're different. Ladies, listen to me, man. Them people are watching and study you when you live alone. Don't come in the same time. Each one teach one. And I really never wanted to necessarily do this video, and my friend said, listen, do it, because a lot of people don't know what's happening. It could have been worse. I could be on here telling you I lost my family. I'm in the hospital. I'm still here. And I'm asking you to share this, to like, to comment. If you have any grill outside your house, put grill inside and outside. If you can afford King Alarm or Hawk or whatever, get that. If you have people working in your home, you have to watch them like a hawk. They didn't come at the front of the house. Them come to the back. The man them wear gloves. Crime scene come and can't leave no prints. Like these men them watch Mission Impossible shows and stuff. We not see no footprint. If you or your family don't have passwords on your phone and you have Samsungs or whatever, you need to put some passwords so that we can track these people. Come them pick up my father's tablet and realize the iPad and put it down. We need to talk. We need to talk about what is happening in each of our communities. The police alone cannot do it. Bulletins are not being put up because they're running St. Catherine North and 7 murders or whatever they have. We need to start communicating. We need to start telling people, ladies, it's illegal, forgive me, but people need to start walking with pepper spray After the incident in the, I go on the road, I'm park my car, and I'm a very vigilant, highly thing. I'm a barely park my car, and I might say, look behind me, I'm see this boy come, click, click, boom. Car start, boom, reverse. Them out here wicked now. Right? And I'm begging you to share this, because the worst feeling is when you're home and you don't feel safe. You're home and you don't feel safe in your bed. It's hard enough to go out on the road daily and think, oh, there's not safe, but in your house, that's the worst feeling. It's the worst feeling. And I don't care if you live St. Catherine, I don't care if you live in Upper St. Andrew. If you look at communities, them boy are jump the fence. Because them coming like them could have been Jamaica Gymnastics Association. Them hungry. And we have to look out for each other. We have to talk. And if you are, and someone have benefit from them criminal, coming like some of them thief are coming like the pest is a pestilence, coming like the plague we play Egypt, the worse than COVID-19. Because they don't want to work. They must want to come and stress people out. You have to work so hard to pay mortgage on your home, grill it up, do all of this, so you don't feel safe. And I'm begging you to just share this so people are aware. I could have lose my friends, I could have lose my life. Look how much women them go in and drug and rape and kill. But by the grace of God, I'm still here. Stuff can be brought back. And a little things that come for so you're hard enough you where if you work and you get a little.
Viewers and subscribers, may I tell you, the blooming criminal them not stop to be a forgery and a fudge up Jamaica. You see, I just presented to you a video that shows a person who said some things that gave me the understanding that she said that her house had been broken into and that she's trying to bring an awareness of what's going on. You see me? This person also said some things that gave me the understanding that she's saying that this had been done so by persons, or you could say robbers, you see me, because according to how the person said they did and they this and they that, you see me, yeah, plural, you understand. The viewers and subscribers are not real though, you see. Anytime, I don't know about anyone else, you see, I'm talking about me, you see me, I always notice this, you see me, I may be right and I may be wrong, but this is my opinion, my point of view, you see me, so you can let me know if I'm wrong or I'm right. But anytime I realize that Christmas holidays is drawing near, or the New Year's Eve, Christmas holidays, Boxing holidays, them days there will come together within the month, they're not really, so and the New Year's and so not really each other together, but to get on me, you see me? Anytime it coming around to those holidays, it's like me notice crime and violence spike a little within the country of Jamaica. You see me, I'm not sure how much, because it's not like I'm a police or so on, but me always notice it. And a lot of times me hear persons will give out warning and say be careful during the Christmas holidays because the more robberies are going on and all these things. You see me, these things should not be happening. You understand? I mean, persons should respect each and everyone's property. You see me, I say, nothing sweet than when you work for what you want, You see me? So when you work for something and it is yours, nothing is greater than that, You know what really and truly puzzles me? This is what really puzzles me, right? And guns. If a person can afford to buy a gun illegally or so on, you see me, I say, why the person never take that money that they buy the gun to do something better with them life or their lives? Yes, I said to you. So this have me wondering if guns are being issued out free. You understand? And that's for the gun robberies, them, But in this case now, I can't say if it's one or more than one person. I'm involved in the things that this person has said. I'm only going by the things that this person said in this video. You understand? But this person is basically trying to let the public aware of the kind of robbery that had happened to her, or that had happened to her house. You see me? Or should I say, this person is trying to let the public aware of the kind of breaking and entering these persons that she said had done. You understand? And I'm only going by what she had said. Viewers and subscribers, this is something to really and truly look into. And I bring this video to you so that you can hear some of the things that this person had said to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? So you can let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I mean, name Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.